Hello everyone, welcome back to Christy TV. Lagos Speaker Obasa furious as Meranda reduces lawmakers' vehicle budget by 2 billion naira, excludes Obasa's wives as beneficiaries. This particular news caught my attention because of why is Obasa angry at Meranda? Because she reduced the budget of vehicles for speakers, and again you became more furious as a result of your wife being excluded. I want to ask this question. Obasa, is your wife a speaker in her Lagos House of Assembly? You see the corruption in the country. When everyone in your family is not benefiting from the opposition, people will start complaining. This leadership crisis, which rocked Lagos State House of Assembly, has taken a fresh turn as embattled Speaker Mudashiru Obasa and his former replacement, who happens to be his deputy Mojisola Meranda, clash over the purchase of official vehicles worth 5 billion naira. According to the report which has been spreading, the assembly that Obasa is furious over Meranda's decision to procure the vehicles from a local dealer rather than following his initial plan of importing them from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. You see the problem. We have money in Nigeria. We are not patronizing. We are using our income, injecting it out of the country. Instead of injecting it in our country, we are ejecting it out. Then how will Nigerian economy grow? Look at Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso pulled and Niger pulled from UN. Yes, they pulled. Do you understand? When they pull from Africa, what did they do? In fact, for you to be able to, if you are not in Niger and you want to withdraw your money you put in Niger account, you have limited amount that you can withdraw from Niger, out from Niger. Do you know what? They are controlling the amount of money in circulation in their country. But you can send any amount of money you want to send from any country to Niger. But for you to send out of Niger, it is limited. That is brain box of a good leader. But look at what this Obasa is doing. I don't understand. You want to purchase 40 SUVs for lawmakers, and this project you want it to be, to be imported all the way from Dubai. For what reason? For what exactly? We have innocent motors. Innocent produces car in Nigeria. Why can't you patronize your own? This is wickedness in the highest order. If it happened that Innocent is a Yoruba man or an Hausa man, they would have made them the only cars, in fact, the only manufacturing car. In fact, they would have obstructed anything that have to do with import of cars in Nigeria. Dangote have sugar, have cement, have other things. Dangote was made a billionaire, in fact, a trillionaire within a twinkle of an eye. He was made the sole person producing cement for a very long time in Nigeria. Before recently, he started having competitors. What exactly is wrong with the people we elect as leaders in this country? Does it mean that they think from their angles? How can somebody wake up, you are furious, you are angry against Meranda simply because she reduced the amount of budget of purchasing vehicles? Imagine the country that is suffering of hyperinflation, and you are still budgeting 5 billion naira to purchase vehicles, and not just buying the vehicle, you want to import it from Dubai. For what reason? If you buy it fresh, you still pay for import charge. You will still clear it. Do you understand? Yes, you have to pay to clear your car. And you still put your wife in the budget. That is what caught my attention. Why putting your wife in the budget of speakers? The question is, was your wife elected as the Speaker, House of Assembly of Lagos State? Or were you yourself, Obasa, elected as Speaker, House of Assembly? We want to know. We don't understand. We just want to. We are curious about this. I don't understand. How can someone just wake up being furious because your wife was excluded from the budgets of buying cars? Wahala, they say be like that. You see the corruption we find ourselves into. Tinubu is the president of the country. Say Tinubu is now using the opportunity that his father is now the president, visiting terrorists in Kaduna, visiting bandits, moving around as if he's a guard. I don't know if you guys are getting something. Your father is old, very dark man, pinpoint some certain things, some important thing that you as the president's son should do. You aren't doing it. Rather, you move around, going around, showcasing video. People are posting you that you visit Kaduna, you visit these bandits, you visit here, you visit here, you visit here. How does that contribute to the growth of the economy? How does that quench hyperinflation in this era? How does that put food in the table of the poor people? How does it aid in the growth of the economy? I don't understand. This is an ongoing issue. This ongoing issue in the House of Assembly now over a purchase of 40 SUV for all members of the House Assembly is really, really alarming. Okay, now, they say that what really happened was that the same Obasa that approved the project was the one that sanctioned the purchase of these vehicles before he was suspended. Meranda only executed the project by awarding the project when she was elected. It was not like Meranda did this without Obasa's approval. Obasa approved it. It was in his plans to buy the vehicles for all the lawmakers. The part played by Meranda is the execution. And why this man is angry is that Meranda now saw that his wife was included in this budget. She excluded it. And then again, she calculated the purchase of buying it in Nigeria and that of you in Dubai. She decided to take the one that is lower, which happens to be in Nigeria. And now Obasa is now causing chaos in the House of Assembly. What is the problem? Why causing problem? Because she did not follow how Obasa wanted the execution to be. Obasa wanted to give the project to someone in Dubai. Obasa wanted to import those vehicles from Dubai. But Meranda did not do that. She executed the project and gave the project to a Nigerian-based dealer to procure those vehicles. This is what is making Obasa angry. Kai. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. It be like bicycle. Okay, let me further with the news that they say that the source further revealed Obasa had done an approval for the purchase of 35 units of Toyota Fortuner SUV and 10 units of Toyota Prado from Dubai at 7 billion naira. As a matter of fact, he made the approval on December 23, 2024. Upon his removal, Right Honorable Mojisola Meranda reviewed the approval and called for a bidding locally and approved the sum of 5 billion naira for 32 units of 2025 Toyota Prado SUV and 7 units of Toyota and Land Cruiser 2025. 2 billion naira for the house. Why are you angry? Because she saved 7 billion. Instead of 10 units of Toyota, she bought 7 units. Instead of 35 units of Toyota, she bought 32 units. Why are you angry? Yes. How many people do you have in that assembly? Are they up to 35? Why did you put 35? We want to know. Obasa, you have a lot of things to answer. Why did you put 10 units instead of 7? And why did you put 35 units instead of 32? It's a question. You are a failure. In fact, you are a very big failure, Obasa. You see the way you are squandering money? Nigeria is totally gone. I keep saying it. The only way for this country to be better is only for the youth to rise. Not just youth, youth that is youth that knows what is good, not corrupt youth. Because almost everybody in Nigeria is corrupt. It is hard for you to see someone that you will give a leadership role at the moment and the person will still stick to maintain dignity, to stand on the truth without being biased. It is hard for you to see such a Nigeria of today. Because people are looking for a way to enrich themselves at all means. This is really, really ridiculous. My people waiting on got to talk. I say make a lot of waiting they happen for Lagos House of Assembly now. As Obasa don't get furious for Meranda, he they give her water the striker why she go buy cars. Where him put for the budget, say they go buy them from Dubai. She go buy them locally. And she can't reduce the unit to the quantity. That is the unit spare. Waiting the one buy. How many units you want buy? You say you want buy 32. You want buy 35, she reduce them to 32. The other one, you say you want buy 10 units, she reduce them to 7. She still saved 2 billion for the assembly. So why are you angry? You see a good leader. In fact, Obasa should be impeached. He should be removed and Meranda should be put back because Meranda knows how to manage funds and how to... In fact, you see, when a woman is on seat, they know how to curtail expenses. Get change for the house against future occurrences. You get it? You save against transactional occurrences. You don't know when they will occur. Unexpected occurrences can happen. Child, may God help you. What do I got to tell my people? Kindly tell us in the comment section what is your own opinion regarding this particular news. This news at the moment. Tell us if you know say what I talk to. I beg try and share. Share this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.